All right, this is IO Hotel. We just had we were gonna stay here for quick hours. Like they have a 3-hour stay and a 6-hour stay, and it's 500 pesos and 700 pesos. But I'll just take you on a quick room tour. It is very small. Like I'm just walking in right now. Very small, and they have a roach problem. Like, found one on the bed. As soon as we came in, there was one on the bed. There was one on the nightstand. Not here, but this is the bed. Looks like this is a towel, but we found one here, literally hanging out on the bed. These are literally a couple that we killed on our way back because we booked another room. But they serve food here. It's probably not a good idea. It's very small, very small. It's like, man, me saying it a whole bunch of times is literally it's downplaying how small it is. It's very small. Like 2 people don't fit here. So yep, we're checking out, and we're just checking in early at the place that we were booked to check in the next day. We can't take the small amount of time here. So this is Ariel Penn signing off from IO Hotel. Adios.